Welcome back to the channel, everybody. Welcome back to the vlog. I want to thank you so much for hitting that play button today and spending a few moments with me as we help deliver America and pick up America one pallet at a time. If you happen to have a CDL, Class B, Class A, and you work somewhere and you have a truck, hey, you would like to have it featured on one of the videos, make sure you send me an email with a picture. Email's in the description below. Put your first name and what state you're from. That way I can kind of put that in there. You know, so in my case it'd be like Chuck from Tulsa and a picture of an Estes truck. Want to just kind of my way of sharing and giving back to you guys who watch the channel, who, you know, maybe do the same type of line of work or drive a truck, helping America supply its shelves and take care of its people. Because that's what we're out here doing every day. It's a dangerous job. I think within the last couple of years, a lot of people have realized how important truck drivers are. But so yeah, I want to just say thank you by posting a picture of your truck at the end of the videos. But I'm on my way. This is my first run for the day to take a truck over to a dealership. They had to get it worked on, so I'm back, kind of getting started a little bit later than normal. Alright, we're arriving at our first location. As you can see, they might make something here that I think all of us have ridden at some point in our life. And they make a lot of them. We've got, I believe, 6 pallets for them. Yeah, 6 pallets. Oop, don't want to block the cross entry here. And right over there they have a giant car wash. And they bring them through there. Not to really clean them, but just to check to see if there's any type of leaks or anything like that. But I noticed some of these buses have like black hoods. They make all kinds of different school buses. Well, I figured that we have people that watch the channel for the first time. They may have never been here, so I'll give you the little nickel tour here. Well, they got the buses all. Well, it is school time, so North Carolina Public Schools. Wow. Ashton, there's a place I ain't never heard of. Palm Beach District Schools. Man, them buses going to Florida. Oh, there's some of those buses right there that have the activity buses. It's got the straight nose there. That's a pretty Peterbilt. Hey, I'm a big fan of those 579 Ultralofts. Those are pretty sharp trucks right there. If I had a truck like that, I'd black it out. I wouldn't want black as the color, but I would black out everything else. Alright, let me see. We should have a door down here on the end. Door 1. Yes, sir. Now today I'm back in my normal truck, a twin axle. So again, you're learning again, because I've been in a single axle. They turn totally different. So this one's got a little bit more lag time and the response you get, not too bad. It's like right there. Waited a little bit too long. But you can correct it, just like we did there. Well, look at that FedEx jet take off, leaving the airport. bringing your package to you. The Express. Alright, you know, any customer you go to when there's good people, the two guys, the guy who's over this, shout out to him, Mike. You know, every time I come in here, he's just like, I mean, just always right on it. You know, I got there today, and when y'all guys saw me back into that door, well, when I got back there, my DOT bumper, their locking jaw piece was broken, and so they had to move another trailer out so that I could move over. And I mean, he had a yard jockey over in a second, and you know, got me unloaded, and he's like, you know, he goes, Chuck, I always appreciate you always got your paperwork ready. He goes, I can sign it and go on. He goes, you can see we got a lot of stuff to do. I said, yes, sir. I said, I don't want to waste your time, and I know you don't want to waste mine. So it's always nice when you go to places and, you know, things are really ran smoothly. You know, Mike does a great job. He's kind of the lead over that receiving area, and always does an amazing job. I mean, just in and out of here. So I'm about to sign out of the guard check here, and then I will see you guys when we get to the next one. We're a couple of blocks away from this this delivery here. I've been here a couple of times. They do have a dock, but it's kind of, well, you'll see here in a second. Got to kind of go through their employee parking. What you got to do is you got to come in here and you got to circle around and come back so you can do a straight back. Hopefully I don't have a bunch of cars parked up. No. So we got to go to that dock right there. Look at there, look at there. Got her set up well. You know, I never even noticed that place right there. Like some type of piping or something. Alright, let's take you over here with me. Get this delivered here. We do have to put that we have arrived. I'm gonna take my phone with me. How you doing? Pretty good. Got one for you. All right. One big long one. Right there. You want to pop the top on it? All right, let me get. That's probably, it's probably loaded that way too. You can tell the way all that.
I think that came from the...
That would have came from that, yeah.
Because look at that, that's painted over. Weed a little bit. We've had instances that we've had damaged product.
Really? Came out, you could tell it hadn't been open, but yet you got some scratches that wasn't, you know, so really that shipper, whoever that shipper was, you know, kind of threw that in there. Okay. There you go, sir. Have a great day. Y'all have a good weekend. Now that right there is something that we're starting to see a whole lot more of. And I kind of wanted to put that out there. You know, we don't just go to stops and it's just like, you know, here's your stuff and turn around and you sign this and we leave. A lot of companies are starting to go where they want to look at their stuff, and I don't blame them. You know, but I think from the LTL standpoint, you know, like right there, there's damage to it, but it's clear to see through the video that everything was wrapped up, and it was nothing that we did. It was just how it was sent, because, you know, those pieces weren't covered. But a lot of times when there's just documentation, they could have easily said, well, we're going to write on the bills, you know, received damaged. Well, all we can do as an LTL company is just say, hey, you know, shipper, you know, they loaded and counted it, and, you know, I can note and take pictures, but after the fact, versus if it's recorded, you can kind of see the step of the process. So hopefully that's something that LTL companies will get into. I know guys don't want to wear cameras, and but he was telling me, you know, I don't know if you heard that or not, or if I even edited in here, but he said they've started, whenever they send people out to do certain jobs, that they record everything. You know, our police officers record everything that they do. It's just everything's become a liability because, you know, it is what it is. But all right, guys, I'm about to leave here, headed over to the next one. I'll see you when I get there. On the next one here, at the last video, you seen those school buses. Well, that's where they were made. Well, now we're actually going to the place where they end up. So we'll leave it at that. We've got 6 kids for this location. Now this place you have to come in and go to the very last dock that they have. I've delivered here quite a few times. The first time I delivered, I got to a dock and the guy goes, no, you're at the wrong dock. Moved down to the next one. I moved down to the next one. And then the guy in that area said, no, you're in the wrong dock. You got to go to the very end. So and it's usually going to be the one down here by this last truck. Hopefully he's not, well, no, he isn't. Usually they're pretty good about leaving these dock plates open where no one's in them. Always nice when you got plenty of room to pull up. Get that yellow line down there. All right, well, I'm gonna go deliver these for the kitties. And guys, I want to thank you so much for stopping by the channel. I know sometimes some videos are more exciting than others, and I try not to keep them too long. So sometimes if I share a little bit too much to begin with, I kind of cut the videos a little bit short. But I want to thank you so much again. I hope you are having a blessed and wonderful day, and I hope that life is well, guys, I think that's going to do it for this vlog. I want to thank you so much for stopping by. I'm always very appreciative that you stop by and spend a few moments with me, and I hope life's treating you well. And if it's not, you know, it's never going to stay down forever. There's more good days than bad. So keep coming back. We'll keep encouraging you. But guys, till I see you at the next one, I hope you have a blessed rest of your day. And remember this, life is truly short. Make sure you make it sweet. Peace.